Out of my hands.
Alright. I just started streaming. I sent you the...
What's your problem? Hey, don't blame me, man. You brought this upon yourself. What are you talking about? It's called karma. And you deserve every bit of it after what you did to me. You're crazy. I didn't do anything to you, even though I could have, and we both know it. But instead of reporting you to the SEC, I quit. Report? For what? Cutting a few corners? We both know that you do more than cut corners, John. Please. You always thought you were better than me. But look at me now. I get to wear expensive clothes to work and make 7 figures. Meanwhile, you wear an orange vest and collect carts for minimum wage. You still think you're better than me? Huh? You wear expensive clothes to work and make 7 figures. Meanwhile, you wear an orange vest and collect carts for minimum wage.
You get the link?
Sure, boss. What's up?
Oh. I'm gonna have to let you go.
So the video is private.
Let me go. But
Oh.
you can't. I need this job. Boss, you know I support my brother.
I know. It wasn't my call. Corporate got a
You get the link?
complaint specifically about you from a customer.
What's up?
Did you do live streaming of your event? So the video is
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna need your
But,
best.
man, that guy is the
Boss, please.
Nitin guy, right?
He wasn't my side.
I called him a day before. So your camera, the Sony one, it didn't work.
Okay.
So then I asked him if he can bring me one box, one setup, because he works here, Rockstar.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, I'll bring it. Then, last moment, man, our event was in the morning and then was calling me saying, "Hey, I can't come, I have to rush."
Get that for me? Thanks.
Then I had to go to this place and then he bought that crappy one setup, because he works here.
Actually, we had to, but now let's go.
I'll bring it.
But he had both the 4K one, right?
Yeah, our event was in the morning and we got a happy one. And then everything was so last moment this place, and then I did it in 720. I didn't even change the settings.
Have a good day.
Just crappy quality.
But he had both the 4K one, right?
Yeah. How do I make it not available? And then everything was so last moment this place.
You have to go back in the stream and then change. Make it to private public.
Change the settings. But are you able to request it?
No.
Okay, then how do I make it?
Yeah, Alex.
You have to go back in
Oh,
the
it's
stream
okay.
and then change.
This is
Make
scared.
it to private public.
We're good.
But are you able to request it?
No.
Okay,
You go into the list of videos that's been streaming, right? And then you change this drop down option, private,
yeah.
public.
No, private, I can share privately. So you want me to put your email?
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta work.
You go into the
Should I do
list of
83, right?
videos that's been streaming, right? And then you change this drop down option,
It
private,
did? But why?
Yeah.
public.
Yeah.
Well,
No, private, I can share a permanent email. So you want me to put your email?
Yeah.
wait, I gotta work.
Should I do 83, right?
So
Saying unavailable.
I got your address from your manager or your former
Did you
manager.
get
I guess.
An email?
Yeah.
This
Mhm.
is
Sure.
Monica. She's a friend from work.
Hey, Kirk. It's nice to finally meet you.
But
I won't stay long, I promise. But I just had to show you this. So I got your address from your manager.
I just made it public.
So, my partner Alex, the guy who stabbed me in the back and tried to steal my company, is now pushing carts at a grocery store for a living. Can you believe this? Talk about karma, coming to bite someone in the butt. Backstab him. She's a friend from work.
Getting stuck.
You should now probably connect to your home network.
I did.
Sanjay.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I just made it public.
See? Let me check. Maybe let me check from my phone. Maybe it's because too many things connected to my network. Your end is fine?
My end,
See?
no, actually it's getting stuck. Like every once in a while.
Yeah. No, it's still getting stuck. Let me check.
On your phone too?
Yeah, check from my phone. Maybe it's because too many things connected to my network. Your end is fine?
My end, no, actually it's getting stuck. Like every once in a while.
Yeah. No, it's still getting stuck. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for Alex.
I'll do it again in a heartbeat.
You think we should try going back to the old firmware and then
Don't worry.
Yeah, is that available?
it should be, yeah.
I think we should, man. This is like crap bullshit, man. This is stupid. I don't know what these guys did. Yeah, I would say that if it's available, let's do that, man. Because no time going back and forth with these idiots, right? Hey, can you do this? Can you do that?
Firmware and then
How long are we gonna do? Yeah, is that available?
it should be, yeah.
I think we should, man.
But is it then the firmware? Let's see.
I don't know what these guys did. Yeah, I would
If it's
say
even
that if it's
available, right?
available, let's do that, man. Because
Let's go to that KiloView page and
no time going back and forth. Because if it's available, do you know the versions? Can you do that? How long are we gonna do?
it is the one before 2633.
I think we should, man.
But is it then the firmware? Let's see.
Yeah, I would
If it's
say
even available, right?
let's do that, man.
Let's go to that KiloView page and see.
Because if it's available, do you know the versions?
It is getting stuck 633. But is it then the firmware? Let's see. If it's even available, let's go to that KiloView page and see.
If it's available, do you know the versions?
Firmware, it is getting stuck 633.
Historical, right? Oh.
This is 2541.
Is that the one?
I think so, yeah.
Historical, right? Oh.
This is 27541.
Is that the one?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, now it's coming through.
Should we reboot the box?
You know what? Now it's. Oh no, never mind. It's getting stuck. Hey, I just got an idea. So instead of doing RTMP, we could do SRT through the Nginx.
Right?
Yeah.
Wanna
I
try
think
that?
you were trying to do that, right?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at the options. Yeah.
Yeah. So we could copy the same. But then is Nginx is, I think, the code that we are running is only for RTMP. No, I don't think it'll work. So if you open the Nginx folder, right?
I rebooted it, but then I don't know if the reboot went through all the way through because it was connected to the KiloView thing, right?
I think it's gotten better. At least now. No. It gets stuck, but it's like every 15 seconds or like 1 or 2 seconds. But see, when we did Sterling Heights was fine all day, right? When we pushed directly from the box to YouTube.
Yeah, but towards the end I was getting stuck too. So after that first initial stuck, it didn't get stuck for me yet, since you made that comment. Oh no, never mind, jinxed it. Maybe the reboot didn't happen properly. Should I need to go to the KillerView server to reboot?
You mean the box or?
Yeah, no, the server. Oh, won't access it, right?
Yeah, sir, we don't even have the server right now.
Seems like sound is coming way late, man. Seems like sound is coming way late, man. Than the picture. No, than the picture. No.
Actually, Angela, we did all Angela's
Seems like sound is coming way late. Now it's black screen. Now it's black screen.
No, I stopped and started it. No, I stopped and started it.
Okay, it's sync. I think it's sync. It's fine. Okay, it's sync. I think it's sync. It's fine.
Hey, Andrew.
So,
Hey, you ride a bike to work? Hey, you ride a bike to work?
Yeah.
I can give you a ride, I don't mind.
Oh,
I
that's
can
not
give you a ride, I don't mind.
necessary.
Oh, that's not.
But thank you.
it's
Necessary.
like white screen, then it goes off and comes back, right? Screen, then
Yeah,
comes back, right?
Excuse me.
yeah.
Excuse me.
This
I'm
thing,
trying to get something to eat.
this thing.
Something to eat.
No. But you can have my sandwich with life. You
Really?
can have my sandwich with life.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I can't believe you just gave me your sandwich. You are a really good sandwich. Samaritan, Andrew. Thanks. I guess it's just all the habit I think. It's just all the habit I have from my wife. We used to give free lunches to a lot of people. Maybe on one hot dog.
will take your idea and create a complete book, complete with design, images.
In this specific video, we're gonna see how to install the version 12.20 with the first distributor in our server. If we are working out, I will use the port forwarding or add the ports by @ and the IP address of the server, and then press open. Now the prompt will require for the password. Type it in and press enter. Okay, now we are logging in our server. Remember, to make the Kilolink works, we need to have port forwarding done in our firewall, especially if we are working for on-premise server. For certain provider into the VPS cloud, you might not need to use the port forwarding or add the ports manually, but for stuff like AVS and Google Cloud, you might have to do it manually. Let's move forward. Let's clear the screen first, so type clear. If you don't have installed Docker, you might have to run this command. I put the link in the video to check if Docker link before. As you can see, I've already installed the Kilolink server here, but we're gonna delete this and start from a clean installation. All your folder has been created. Home folder, you will see a data folder is present. And link, click on the link and press download. In order to move the script into your VPS or your on-premise machine, you might use something like FireZilla or other FTP cloud service. Or you can just copy and paste using the Nano prompt editor. In this specific case, I'm gonna use WinSCP in order to connect to my server and copy the file into it. So type the IP of the server, the username, and the password, and press enter. Once you have been logging into the server, just drag and drop the custom script into the root folder. Okay, if we now type ls, we will find the custom script is here. In order to have root privileges on this file, just type chmod +x followed by the name of the file and press enter. Now, if we type ls again, we will see it turns green. In order to start the installation, just type // and the name of the file and press enter. Now we can follow the automatic script by typing the number request on the prompt. So for the first installation, press 1 and press enter. Here you choose depending on the network mode if it is an host or a bridge. In my case, host. Press enter. At this point, the automatic script will detect your public IP address. If you want to go manually, you can type it by your own. At this point, press Y and continue. Now the automatic script will make the procedure for you and the Docker will be installed. Okay, now to currently see if we have done everything right, just type docker ps and see if the container is running. Alright, as you can see, the container is running, so we can check it out in our browser. In order to access the Kilolink server, you just type your IP address or your domain followed by the column and the port 82. First, username and password will be admin and admin. 82. Alright, as you can see, the container is running, so we can check it out in our browser. In order to access the Kilolink server, you just type your IP address or your domain followed by the column and the port 82. First, username and password will be admin and admin. At this point, I'm gonna connect my P-Series device and see if everything is working. Now I've connected my device. In order to start a stream, just press here wherever it's white, click add.
Step into Wix Studio, the platform for agencies and enterprises, and turn website layouts into an art form. Create the grid you want, shaping every section intuitively. And get down to detail with the total control and pixel-perfect precision your vision requires. Repeat your designs at scale to get the momentum your project needs.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. Today we are gonna looking at how to install the Kilolink server. In this specific video we're gonna see how to install the version 12.20 with a firmware version for the P-Series 2519. This guide works for both on-premise and on-the-cloud VPS server. First of all, download PuTTY, install into your computer to access the server. To access the server, type your username followed by @ and the IP address of the server and then press open. Now the prompt will require for the password. Type it in and press enter. Okay, now we are logging in our server. Remember, to make the Kilolink works, we need to have port forwarding done in our firewall, especially if we are working
Technology support engineer from KiloVisual. Today I will introduce how to deploy the KiloVisual support you 600 DB port variable are used after 4 into the HTTP ports. Display the log interface of the Kilolink password. In this way, Kilolink has been successfully deployed. Thank you for I will show you step by step how to deploy the Kilolink. First, we need to gather the permission of the current Ubuntu system.
At Mint Mobile, we like to do the opposite of what Big Wireless does. They charge you a lot, we charge you a little. They put their names on arenas, we put ours on my lower back. So naturally, when they announced they'd be raising their prices due to inflation, we decided to deflate our prices due to not hating you. And if this were one of their ads, they'd end it here with a happy customer. So we'll end ours with an angry goat. Oh, look at the angry goat.
A CRM shouldn't set your teams back. It should revolutionize the way they work. A CRM shouldn't block your workflow.